2023-12-04. Simplicity is only for a few. Thailand, Prachwap Kirikan. It is easier to speak, even though silence is golden. We demonstrate our philosophies through our choices of words in conversations, but we rarely live up to them. We demonstrate that it's ugly to lie. You don't lie. I don't lie. Still, I maintain the lie about Santa as well as other fictional perspectives. But I am not lying, at least that's what I give the impression of, and I do believe myself. As much as you do yourself. Starting over. It's such a typical example of what many people want to do, pack their bags and disappear. In any case, if you are to believe what they say this time. Many of these then also demonstrate that they are doers, when they sap on TV. David Attenborough is the closest to nature these ever will come wailing to the subway. What you can carry you can pack, if you are smart or strong maybe both. It will show in a few weeks. Will you adapt to survive, or will you insist on doing your way and expect a new result? You will bow to humility when you realize what it's all about, and you will acclimatize to your surroundings, or perish and your journey turns into a nightmare you can't wake up from. I know that too now. No phone, no pool, no pets, I ain't got no cigarettes. King of the road. I am guessing now, but if you can't be hungry a few days or don't have a couple of letter combinations like ADD, OCD etc., this freedom search might not be for you. Minimalistic, pragmatic, completely naked in its own way. But either you do out here, because if you do not, well, in it is simplicity very complicated. Extremely edgy but still so humble. You will fall, again and again, but if you don't get up the only color you will show is a whiter shade of pale.